Hi everyone. To manually draw a floor plan, start by clicking on Import 2D Drawing and selecting the floor plan image. Then, click on Manual Trace and provide one wall-to-wall measurement. This will allow the system to detect the scale. Once done, click Confirm to generate the base map of the floor plan in 2D. Now, using the Rectangle Wall tool, draw the external walls. For individual walls, select the Straight Wall option, where you can adjust the wall direction to internal, external, or center. Continue drawing all the walls according to the floor plan base map. Next, on the left side of the interface, you will find doors and windows. Simply place them as per the floor plan. You can also flip doors, adjust their dimensions, and position windows accordingly. To view the 3D representation of the floor plan, click on the 3D option. You can also adjust the opacity if needed. If you wish to replace a door, just click on it, select Replace, and choose the new door. For a quick update, use the Batch Apply option, which allows you to replace all similar doors from the collection at once. And that's it. You have successfully created a floor plan.